Hi everyone, I'm Dieter Braun from LMU Physics. We are organizers on the Origin of Life network within Munich area. So there's a CRC 39392, which you'll find on molecularevolution.de, but there's also Origins cluster, and we organized the MOM conference. So very warm welcome to what we are up to. We try to start life from nucleotides to 3' cyclic, making them into a complex to ligate and therefore replicate. But that's a chemical aspect. Otherwise, we are biophysicists. We want to have non-equilibrium conditions where if you look for complex rocks and see how these pores are habited by RNA and how they accumulate and replicate in those, that's our specialty. We go from chemistry to physics, fully modeling this. And I'll show you how you even can make vesicle cells in these rocks. Looking forward.